Welcome to Target Language English. Our topic today is the structure of the future perfect continuous tense. To form the future perfect continuous tense, we need will have been and the present participle of the main verb. We form the present participle by adding ing to the base form of the verb. Work, working, jump, jumping, play, playing, read, reading, write, writing. But not all verbs simply add ing to form the present participle. Let's see some spelling exceptions. For example, verbs like dance, hope, love, make remove the final e and then add ing. Dancing, hoping, loving, making. So if a verb ends in e, we remove the final e before adding ing. But we do not remove the final e with the verb be, being, and with verbs ending in double e, see, seeing, agree, agreeing. With some verbs, we need to double the final consonant. For example, the verb run is a one-syllable verb. It ends in a single short vowel and a single consonant. We double the final consonant and then add ing. Run, running. It's the same with stop, stopping, sit, sitting, jog, jogging. We also double the final consonant in multisyllable verbs if the stress falls on the last syllable. For example, begin, beginning. The verb begin has two syllables and the last syllable is stressed, so we double the final consonant n before adding ing. Other similar examples are refer, referring, admit, admitting. Verbs ending in ie change the ie into y and then add ing. For example, tie, tying. Let's now move on to the affirmative form. We'll use the verb work as an example. Singular. I will have been working. You will have been working. He will have been working. She will have been working. It will have been working. Plural. We will have been working. You will have been working. They will have been working. We can contract in the affirmative by combining the subject and will. Singular. I'll have been working. You'll have been working. He'll have been working. She'll have been working. It'll have been working. Plural. We'll have been working. You'll have been working. They'll have been working. To form the negative, we insert not between will and have. Singular. I will not have been working. You will not have been working. He will not have been working. She will not have been working. It will not have been working. Plural. We will not have been working. You will not have been working. They will not have been working. We can contract the negative by combining will and not, which becomes won't. Singular. I won't have been working. You won't have been working. He won't have been working. She won't have been working. It won't have been working. Plural. We won't have been working. You won't have been working. They won't have been working. To form the interrogative or question form, we move will in front of the subject. Singular. Will I have been working? Will you have been working? Will he have been working? Will she have been working? Will it have been working? Plural. Will we have been working? Will you have been working? Will they have been working? To form the negative interrogative, we keep the interrogative word order and we add not right after the subject. Singular. Will I not have been working? Will you not have been working? Will he not have been working? Will she not have been working? Will it not have been working? Plural. Will we not have been working? Will you not have been working? Will they not have been working? We can contract in the negative interrogative. Will not becomes won't. Singular. Won't I have been working? Won't you have been working? Won't he have been working? Won't she have been working? Won't it have been working? Plural. Won't we have been working? Won't you have been working? Won't they have been working? And that's it for today's lesson on the structure of the future perfect continuous tense. If you found this helpful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.